Okay, this is part 2 of my algebra friends. This is really 4 term polynomials. So we need to group them. It's either a 3 by 1 where you group the first 3, and then leave the last one, and then see if they factor to give you something you can work with, or it's a 2 by 2. Now these first groups of 4, this first group of 4 are 3 by 1s. Do you see how these 3 kind of go together? But you got a minus squared term at the end. So I factor this, it's x plus 3, x plus 3. So it's x plus 3 squared minus y squared. So you get x plus 3 plus y, x plus 3 minus y. So it's a difference of 2 squares. So this one, it's kind of dark, I don't know why. It factors x minus 2, which is x minus 2 squared. So it's a difference of squares, x minus 2 plus y squared, x minus 2 minus y squared. Because to see what a square is, you have to be able to multiply by 2 to get the power. So what times 2 is 4? Well, 2. So this x plus 5, which is x plus 5 squared. So it'd be x plus 5 plus y to the 5th. X plus 5 minus y to the 5th. What times 2 is 10? This one, so it'd be x minus 4, which is x minus 4 squared. So it'd be x minus 4 plus y to the 4th. X minus 4 minus y to the 4th. Now the next groupings are actually 2 by 2s. So there's no minus squares at the end, if you can see. So I'm going to group the first 2, last 2, and then factor out the GCF. So it'd be x to the 5th times x plus 1, 2 times x plus 1. So it'd be x plus 1 times x to the 5th plus 2. So this would be x to the 6th. It'd be x plus 2 to get the original, plus factor out of 3. Well, holy cow! They got a common binomial. So you factor out the x plus 2. Then you'd have x to the 6 plus 3 left over, because it's x plus 2 times x to the 6 plus 3 times x plus 2. Here, factor out x to the 7th, you get x plus 3. Factor out of 3. So this would be x to the 7th plus 3 times x plus 3. Hey, so this one, 2 by 2. Factor out x to the 4th. Factor out an 8. Hey, I have a common binomial, so I can factor it out. Then I'd have x to the 4th plus 8. Now notice there's no square. No square because you're factoring out one of each. A square would be like x plus 4 times x plus 4 would be x plus 4 squared. But this is not times, it's plus. You're factoring out one of each. So then you get x to the 4th times x plus 4 plus 8 times x plus 4. Here, factor out the x to the 5th. That'd be x plus 5. Plus factor out the 3, x plus 5. So it'd be x to the 5th times x to the 5th plus 3. This one, factor out x to the 5th. It'd be x squared plus 1. Because when you multiply two things the same base, you add. Plus Factor out of 3, and the common term is x squared plus 1. So, a little bit of work to it. Now, to reward you for watching the videos, if you're one of the first 4 algebra students to send me an email that says I'm in Algebra 1 and I watched the second video, I will give you 3 extra credit points. If you're one of the first 4, oh, I'd hurry. Bye-bye.